Hello guys, I'm here again. So the reason why the snake came here is because there is a small gap here. So in that way the snake got here. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm going to weld this piece to this door in this way so the gap gets closed. So I'm doing with this my welding machine with all these tools with me, and there's a cutting machine. I got everything what I need. I just need to do the work now. Okay, let's get started now. Seriously, if the snake has bitten me, I don't know what would happen. Thank God nothing happened, by God's grace. Okay, I got the marking. So what I'm doing here is, because it has a paint, it won't get welded. Sorry, you can't hear me properly because I'm wearing mask. So I'm starting my welding. Everything is done now. This is the final output, guys. So all the welding is completely done on all the sides. Now there is no gap from anywhere, and now I don't have any worries about snakes getting here again. Problem fixed. Okay, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.